It is so common that everybody that wants to celebrate a party right now is either making jollof rice or fried rice. And I decided to make a twist to that. Instead of jollof rice and fried rice, why not let us do something different, unique, and more sumptuous? I decided to make coconut fried rice. Now, this is actually super easy to make and it is super tasty and different from the regular fried rice. So let me show you how to make this. First and foremost, you go in with your pot margarine on low heat. Go in with your margarine, melt that. You can add a little bit of oil to that. Then you saute your ginger, garlic, and onions for a few minutes. You go ahead and add your spices, your thyme, curry, nutmeg, whatever you want to use, whatever spices you want to use, add it at this point. We want to saute it for at least another 1 minute. Then we introduce our rice into this, and we will toast our rice on low heat by frying it on low heat for a few more minutes. When this is ready, we go ahead and add our seasoning cubes, salt, and every other thing we want to add. Then we go ahead, toast it a little bit more, then add our milk, that's the coconut milk, our chicken broth, and also a little bit of water. These are the three liquids we are going to be using to cook this sumptuous meal. So I'm going to cover that up and let it cook till it is almost done. Then I'm going to bring that down. Then I'm going to be preparing my veggies. So here in another pot, I'm just going to saute my ginger, garlic, and onion again, and go in with my blended pepper, because this is fried rice but I still want that peppery feel from this, and that is why I am using habanero pepper. So I'm just going to add that to it, stir that for a little bit more, then go in with my veggies. The last veggies I'm going to be adding will be the spring onions, because I still always want my veggies to have that vibrant color, so I add them one after the other. I'm going with my carrots, green peas, sweet corn. I am using the fresh sweet corn, and that is why I am adding it at this point. So also my green beans and kidney beans, they are not the canned one, they are the fresh one and boiled. So that is why I am adding them early enough. So I'm just going to cook this again, stir and fry this. I'm going to add my hot dog. You can add chicken breast to this, you can add liver, you can add hot dog, you can add anything you want, but for me I am going with just hot dog because that is what I have at home at the moment, and I don't want to buy anything extra for this particular meal. So when we're done with that, we're now going to combine our rice and our sauce, our vegetable sauce we already made. Then when we combine it, we will not be adding water to it. You will just use your film wrap or whatever cover you have to cover this and let it steam on low heat till it is properly okay and done and ready to eat. No more adding water after the first water you added to it. So we're going to stir this and combine it together, and your sweet yummy coconut rice is ready. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel, drop a comment and like any of our posts. You can also drop your name and where you are from. Let us give you a shout out for watching our video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.
Yeah. And